Quick step-by-step tutorial. Enabling a user to create Compliance Manager assessments in Microsoft 365. What is Compliance Manager Assessors? Compliance Manager is a tool within Microsoft 365 designed to help organizations manage their compliance requirements efficiently. The Compliance Manager Assessors role group is specifically for users who need the ability to create and manage assessments within Compliance Manager. These assessments help ensure that your organization meets various regulatory requirements, such as GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO standards. By assigning users to this role, you grant them the permissions needed to perform compliance tasks effectively. Steps to enable a user to create Compliance Manager assessments. 1. Sign in to Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. Visit visits.microsoft.com/log in using your Microsoft 365 admin credentials. 2. Navigate to Permissions. In the left-hand menu, click on Permissions. 3. Select Compliance Manager Assessors role group. Scroll through the roles to find Compliance Manager Assessors. Click on this role group to access its settings. Add User 1 to the role group. Click Edit Role Group to modify its members. Choose Add Members and search for User 1. Select User 1 and add them to the list. 5. Save Changes. Click Save to apply the changes. 6. Verify Permissions. Ensure that User 1 can now access and create assessments in Compliance Manager. By following these steps, you grant User 1 the necessary permissions to create Compliance Manager assessments, helping your organization maintain compliance with various regulations and standards.